Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sana from Sana Talks. Hope you people are fine and doing great and enjoying the learning lessons and learning so much as well. So I'm going to share with you today the 5 tested techniques that you can apply to learn English fast. So technique number 1 is that talking points. So what does it mean by talking points? That you have to write down the points that you are going to talk about it, right? So, maybe it takes 5 days or 10 days that you are writing down the main points and then talk about it. Maybe after 5 or 10 days, you don't need that paper or points to talk about it, then you can go by yourself, right? So, the first is talking point. So, number second is that what you have to do is the shadowing technique. What is the shadowing technique? That you have to repeat after the native speaker, right? There are a lot of apps available on the App Store that will give you the facility of listening, right? So what you have to do, you have to listen them and repeat after them. So here is the 2 techniques, and I will share the rest of the techniques in the other video. So keep watching, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Allah Hafiz.